I just thought I could tell you about a problem I had with Fusion 360 as the dummy I am, as the stupid person I am, ignorant I'm at least. But maybe many other people are stupid also, or ignorant also. So here is the trick. So if you want to clear this pocket, okay, you first use a big milling bit in 6 millimeters, and secondly a second one, 3 millimeters, to go at the bottom and to finish the job and to go where the first milling bit didn't go. For that, you first try to use a 2D pocket operation, two 2D pocket operation, and for the second 2D pocket operation with the 3 millimeter, you try to clip rest machining, okay, to tell the computer don't do the job again where it has already been, okay, but it doesn't work, and it will never work. It will send you error message. You will search the net 10 hours, and you won't find any solution to avoid the message error until you find, like I did, messages on forums that tells that it doesn't work, that rest machining doesn't work on Fusion 360. So don't do it at all. Okay, I'm trying to cancel, and use only the pocket, the 3D operation, pocket clearings, and you will see if we're editing the second operation that rest machining is working, is there and is working. You can choose rest machining from the previous operation, and it won't mill the part of the job that has already been machined, and you will save time, of course. It will work. So you just have to select exactly the same milling zone in the two operation. The first with no rest machining, okay, and in the second 3D milling operation, you will select exactly the same zone, okay, with this, selecting selection in this box and clicking on the edge of the zone, and you click rest machining from previous operation, and it will work, okay. And if we try to simulate it, we will see that it will work. Okay, let's begin from the beginning. So action, you see it removes aluminium everywhere the big mill bit can pass. And after, you will get the second small mill bit that will go only in the slots. Up, up, stop. So it works. So I hope it will have been helpful for you. Bye bye. Thank you for all the videos everyone is doing also.